The blanking function ignores a specific optical axis that is continuously blocked. Blanking functions include fixed blanking and floating blanking. Fixed blanking is used when the position of the object is fixed. Floating blanking is used when the position of the object is constantly moved. The blanking function can be set in at Lightcurtain. Please refer to the previous video for how to connect at Lightcurtain. Install the box in the detection area. The box is detected and OSSD turns off. Click Blanking menu. Check Enable of Fixed Blanking. Fixed blanking can be set up to 3 multiple zones. However, each zones cannot be overlapped when setting multiple zone. Click Auto Scan. Set scan time and click OK. Click OK. Click Yes. Check the Set Fixed Blanking Zone. Click Download menu. Check all parameters and download. The box is in the detection zone, but the OSSD is on. OSSD turns off when other zones are detected. OSSD turns off even if the box is removed. Click Floating Blanking. Check Enable of Floating Blanking. Click Auto Scan. Set scan time and click OK. By moving the box, the object shakes up and down. Click OK. Click Yes. Check the Set Floating Blanking Zone. Click Download menu. Check all parameters and download. If 2 or more optical axes are continuously blocked in the blanking zone, OSSD does not turn off. OSSD turns off when the optical axes outside the blanking zone are blocked.